Hello, my name is Iris Velos. My student ID number is 3069764. This semester is summer of 2020. For this demonstration, I'm going to be showing you how to restrain for a lateral saphenous venipuncture. Lateral is going to pertain to the sides, either left or right. And recumbency means laying down. So the way we're gonna get her into position is I'm going to grab my hand. I'm going to hold her her right inner arm, both front and hind. I'm going to press her to my body. And I'm going to use my right arm to control her head. And while I'm trying to get her to lay down, I will pull her arms out and slowly press her to my body until she is in lateral recumbency. And then for this demonstration, we're doing the lateral saphenous. The saphenous is going to be on her hind leg. In order to hold it off, I'm going to occlude the vein using my left arm to hold off just above her hock. In this case, you'll be able to see it right here on my left arm where my finger is pointing, and it is going to run down the leg this way. In order to get her back up after, we are going to keep putting pressure on her head with my right arm, and we're going to put a hand under her belly, which will stimulate her to get up, but we are still going to maintain our right arm on her head. I'm going to be showing you how to do a medial cephalic venipuncture on a dog. In order to get them into position, we're going to use our right hand to hold their head. And then we're going to use our left arm under their chest to apply pressure with our body, and we're going to stimulate them to lay down. Once they are on all 4 feet on the exam table, this is called sternal recumbency, where their sternum is touching the exam table. In order to hold off the vein, we're going to use our left hand to occlude the elbow. And we're going to roll to the left. This is going to make the cephalic vein pop up, which is going to be on the forelimb of their front arm. Once they have gotten their sample, we're going to let off the pressure. And in order to safely release the pet, we're going to use our left hand again under the belly to stimulate them to get back up. We're going to release. I'm going to be showing you how to do a medial saphenous venipuncture. In order to get the cat into position, we're going to scruff with our left hand. And we're going to use our right hand to grab the hind legs. By doing so, we're going to get them into lateral recumbency, meaning laying down on their side, either left or right. In this case, they're in their left. And then to get to the medial saphenous vein, I'm going to use my right hand to occlude in the inguinal area. We're going to apply pressure to the inguinal area. This is going to make the medial saphenous vein pop out. And then you can see it popping out here. Once the phlebotomist gets their sample, to safely release, we're going to apply pressure to the puncture site. And then we're going to use our right hand to stimulate them to get back up. In this case, we're going to put our hand under their stomach, and then we can unscruff. For this demonstration, I'm going to be showing you how to do a cephalic venipuncture on a cat. In order to get the sample, we're going to have them in sternorecumbency, meaning their sternum is touching the ground and all 4 feet are touching the exam table. In this case, they are already in sternorecumbency. To safely get them into position, we're going to use our right hand. My right hand to scruff. I'm going to use my left arm to grab the left arm. I'm going to use my thumb to roll out to the left so the cephalic vein is up on the forearm, easier to see. Once the phlebotomist has gotten their sample, we're going to safely release, and to do this, I'm going to use my thumb to occlude the puncture site. We're going to wait a few seconds. After, in order to safely release, we're going to let go of the left arm and we're able to unscruff.